actually wouldn't do this either. I know it really sounds like a great idea, but let me explain to you why. So if you're in your 30s and you're having normal, regular menstrual cycles, this is what is happening. The top represents the hormones that are excreted by the pituitary gland. This is what stimulates the ovaries to ovulate each month. The next line is just showing you what ovulation looks like in the ovary. And the third line is where I want you to pay attention. In a 28-day cycle, we have waxing and waning estrogen and progesterone levels. Estrogen peaks mid-cycle and progesterone peaks about week 3. So where in your cycle would you want to check these hormone levels so that you could match them in postmenopause? That just isn't something we can do because there's not a steady state. They are constantly fluctuating. There really is no balance here. Remember, balancing hormones is a marketing term, not a medical term. Here's the other important thing to remember. Everyone's menopausal journey is absolutely unique. You'll have a wide variety of symptoms that vary from patient to patient. So say I did check your estrogen levels in perimenopause on some random day. Say mine is 50 and yours is 50. We can have absolutely different symptoms. I could have no symptoms and you could be going out of your mind, or vice versa. When I treat a patient with hormone replacement therapy, I simply begin therapy knowing that we can go up or lower on the dose based on their symptoms. There's not an arbitrary physiological level I'm trying to reach. I'm trying to make her feel better, improve her quality of life, and improve her lifespan.